Tomb Raider waterfall. Well,
Look, they want to cross too, babe.
they want to cross, but we're knocking it out for them.
He's like shaking his head. Holy shit.
You're so fast. Yeah, this is evidence for the insurance agency. His big feet will just like overlap.
This one isn't really attached. Right.
That one's not attached?
Second one, this is the second one. Second one step at a time.
There he goes.
Yeah, this one isn't really attached to the rope.
Just hang on to the edge.
The second and
So none of them are attached. A marker? Oh yeah, like a red line on each step. That's not. It's not high anyway. Whoa. Let's see if you gonna try? You don't like steps, do you?
I don't like. Yeah, not a fan of steps.
But we've got the rails.
Yeah, those rails look shit.
They do. Oh, look at that guy. He's just like pumping up those steps. Well done.
He probably does it every day for breakfast.
For breakfast. Okay. Completely broken. Millie, go to the other side. Go to the other side. There's no rail. Nearly there. And now we actually know we're not because we've got another like load of stairs to go.